How to change name or username in threads. So hello guys, in this quick tutorial video I will tell you how you guys can change your username in threads. So for that, open threads app. After that, click on small profile, click on top right side. Here it will say edit profile, share profile. So simply click on edit profile. Now here you guys can see name. Once you click on it, it says your name and username are synced in Instagram, and you can change it there. So that mean we cannot change here our username or name. So for that we need to go to Instagram account that are connected with our threads, and we will change Instagram username and name. Once we change it, your thread name will be automatically changed. Thanks for watching.